Let me show you how to create product reviews, listicles easily with thruuu and scale your content creation. If you're in the SaaS business or running a B2B agencies or an affiliate website, you might often create this kind of article, a list of tools. Basically, you will list some tools, maybe your competitors, and finally include some FAQs. Quite, let's say, straightforward structure to create such listicle slash product reviews. But let me show you how you can do that easily with thruuu and scale your content creation. Let's go to thruuu and let's create a content brief. Here you enter your topic. Here I want to create an article about the best SERP analyzer. I select my market, so basically thruuu will extract data from the specific Google search. So I stay on the US one. Number of results, I will choose 20. And templates, I won't explain in this video, but I have another video explaining how to create a template with thruuu, and there is a link below in the description. But I will just pick a simple template, just the outline, and I will create my brief. So now thruuu will analyze the SERP, extract key information from your competitor, and show us a view containing already pre-filled information. In this view now we only have the outline editor, and you can see when you open it, I just move around here, you can see here your competitor, so all the headings has been extracted by thruuu. You can see your main competitor. You can start basically to create your list of tools by looking at your competitor, okay, and yeah, building your article like this. But as you can see, it's a bit cumbersome because you need to open every single competitor. You need to check what tools are mentioning you. Yeah, you need to do some analysis. So here I will show you how you can accelerate with thruuu the creation of your content outline. So you can hit the generate button, or as well available from the AI outlines tab. Click on generate, and here you can select from competitor and start generating an outline. So here thruuu will again analyze the SERP and generate a structure for your article. So here you can see the final structure. Okay, so we have like a title, understanding the importance of the SERP analysis, top feature to consider, comparison, additional feature to look, etc. So it's a good, let's say it's a good structure, but maybe it's not the one you want, because I guess that in this kind of, for this kind of article, you often follow the same structure. Maybe you want to have first a list of your competitors or a list of articles, and maybe followed by FAQ or something like this. So I will show you that with thruuu you can, let's say, instruct or create a little prompt to tell to the AI how to structure the outline. So let's go back to the generate button. We stay on from competitor, but here you can see we have a type. And I created several types, and one called tool listicle. So I will click on this one and then generate. And here you can see that now the outline is a bit different. We have how to choose the best SERP analyzer, our selection of best SERP analyzer, a list of SERP analyzer, FAQs, so 4 FAQs or 4 questions with just a small answer. Obviously, by the way, it's a content brief. You need to share that with your writer, and it can then extend the content. So this is quite good. And I will show you now how I created this little prompt and how basically thruuu is able to follow a certain structure. So when you click on generate, you can see here you can create an outline prompt. You click here, it opens a new tab. By the way, all your outline prompts are also available from the menu here on the left. And here you see all the one I created, and I will show you this one, the tool listicle. So you see, to create an outline prompt is quite straightforward. Everybody knows now what a prompt is. So you put a name, and then you should write a little prompt. Keep in mind that thruuu is already analyzing the SERP, so you don't need to ask in the prompt to analyze the SERP. This will be done automatically. What you should do is basically to speak about content outline or outline. And as well here, there is some example. I will also drop all the example in the description below. And then you write a little prompt. So let's go together and explain how I wrote this prompt. So the content outline is for a listicle blog and list a set of tools. So I explain to the, let's say to the AI, the context, analyze the heading of the computer and find the tool mentions. So here I say find the tool mentions. So it's really important to say that to the AI that you want really to extract information about tools and then follow the structure. And here I have a structure to follow. Start with the first H2 label, how to choose the right. And here you see I put target keyword. So it will replace automatically this term with the target keyword. Then add a second H2, our selection of target keywords. So here SERP Analyzer or best WordPress plugin, etc. Under this section, list up to 10 tools, put the tool name in H3. That's it. So it will list H3s per one H3 per tool. Finish with a last H2 label FAQ and create 4 H3 including a question. Below each question, write a short paragraph with an answer. So here you can see, basically, I tell the AI how to structure the outline. You can also select the creativity. And then that's it. So you can create any prompt and then start generating them. So here you can see now, you understand why thruuu has followed this specific, let's say, pattern. So how to choose the right best SERP analyzer. Obviously here, maybe I can remove that. Our selection of the best SERP analyzer. Obviously you can also adapt a bit the title. Here it has listed 6 only, okay. AI was a bit lazy in this case. And then we have FAQs. What is great with thruuu is that you can generate multiple times AI outlines. So let's generate another one with the same template. Just to see if it creates something different a bit. And we can replace it, okay? So now what I want to show you here is that thruuu also save the AI generated one. So obviously they are quite similar, but maybe there is some difference, especially in the FAQ. So we can also have a look at the different FAQs that has been generated and maybe select new one. Okay, I want to add like this one. Okay, oops, sorry, I didn't click on the H3. And then also include the paragraph. And here you can see, you can also generate multiple times an AI outline and then mix them together. As well, obviously, you can still go to your competitor and have a look here and maybe complete your list with a tool that might be missing. And let me show you a last tip now is here you can see you can add pages. And also, if you go back on the main view, you can basically edit the pages. What does it mean? So here are the computer on the SERP, okay? And the AI outline is using the first 10. So here what you can do, basically you can disable maybe the page you don't want the AI to analyze. So how to do SERP analysis and best tools, okay, I keep it. 10 best tool, free SERP checker, this must be a landing page, so I don't want this one, I disable it, so it will be ignored by the AI. Free tool, again here might be a landing page. So basically here what I want is just to keep the listicle that are already on the SERP. And as well, you might find some articles that are maybe not on the top 10 or 20. And you can even add them. So let's say I want to add this article. Maybe it's not ranking well on the SERP, it's not in the top 20, but there's still some good information. So you can go back here and click on add a page, enter the URL, and thruuu will automatically add this new page and obviously as well extract information from this page. And so now if you go back to our outline tool, here you can hide the disabled, and you can see the one added here with the structure, and then only the one that we kept. Okay, so you can see it's only the listicle here. And so now you can generate a new one, a new outline, and it might adapt a bit. You see it has no new tool because obviously we included a new article, and as well we already focus more on the listicle or product reviews on the SERP, so there is less noise for the AI. And I will keep this one. So you see it's quite straightforward to create listicle product reviews with thruuu. And then what you can do when you have created your content brief, you can just create a public link and send that to your writer, and you can start creating a great article, and you will start ranking on the search.